Yeah! Woo! Man, you made it. Yes, sir. Woo! It's the ride home. Man, God's amazing. Check it out. We ain't going nowhere. And what am I doing? I'm jumping up and down for Jesus, man. It's amazing. And you know, today while I was working, I was having fun because I was getting to tear stuff up. I enjoy it. But you know, I really fell in love with Jesus in this thing right here. You know, because every morning while I was going to work, I'd be praying, Lord, please just let me make it to work. Lord, please just let me make it to work. Man, through all that praying and just being like, Lord, I don't know how I'm going to make this work. You're using me in a way and inspiring other people to tell other people how real Jesus is. Woo! That's amazing. I am going to use this right here to help other people use this platform or my RV to tell their testimony. Woo! Yeah. Man, it was a great day today. You woke up. Soon, you're going to be able to tell your story. You're going to have the courage to tell your story because your story is very powerful. I love telling people that. Jesus is so real. Oops, did I ever say this was the ride home? I might have forgot. Woo! One more for Jesus. Woo! Do not give up. And 2 weed eaters and a chainsaw coming to a house near you. Woo! Woo! Yeah!